In this video, we'll learn how to calculate the efficiency of a chiller system. Even though the process is simple, understanding chiller efficiency is extremely important. Let's start by understanding what efficiency actually means. Take the example of a car. Imagine we drive 96 kilometers using 6 liters of fuel. Now, how do we find out how efficient this car is? We can easily calculate that using a simple formula. Efficiency equals distance traveled divided by fuel consumed. So, 96 kilometers divided by 6 liters equals 16. That means this car runs 16 kilometers on a single liter of petrol. This is what we call mileage. Each car has a different mileage, and manufacturers usually specify it in their manuals. If a car delivers high mileage, it means it's running efficiently. If the mileage is poor, then its efficiency is low. The same concept applies to chillers. Just like cars have mileage, chillers have something called the coefficient of performance, or CP. In a car, we use fuel as input and get distance as output. In a chiller, the input is electrical power and the output is cooling capacity. The formula for chiller COP is COP equals cooling load in kilowatts divided by electrical power in kilowatts. In our previous video about chiller load calculation, we already explained how to find the cooling load. If you haven't seen that yet, you can check it out. The link is in the description below. Now, let's take an example. Suppose a chiller is operating at a cooling load of 900 tons. To convert this into kilowatts, we multiply the tonnage by 3.51. So 900 multiplied by 3.51 equals 3,159 kilowatts. Let's assume the chiller's electrical input power is 670 kilowatts. Now, applying the formula, 359 kilowatts divided by 670 kilowatts, which gives us 4.68. That means the chiller's efficiency is 4.68. In simple words, for every 1 kilowatt of electrical energy, the chiller provides 4.68 kilowatts of cooling. Chiller manufacturers usually mention the rated CHOP in their technical documentation. We can compare this rated value with our calculated CHOP to assess how well the chiller is performing. A CHOP value between 4 and 7 generally indicates good performance. If your actual COP is lower than the manufacturer's specified value, the next step is to check the chiller approach value. This value is measured at both the evaporator and the condenser. By analyzing it, we can identify where performance losses are occurring and improve efficiency by addressing those issues. In the next video, we'll explain how to measure and calculate the chiller approach value in detail. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with others who may find it useful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Intact Knowledge. Thank you.